Hi, I'm Dr. Matthew Hale. I'm an assistant professor of communication studies here at University of Detroit Mercy. If you want to be a brand manager, a social media analyst, or a content creator, an influencer, or if you want to build and promote your own business, you need to understand social media. And not just in a kind of theoretical, purely academic sense. No, you need to know how to think critically and creatively and strategically about how you use media. That's why I'm excited about the brand new course that I'm offering at UD Mercy beginning winter term 2022. The class is called Social Media Strategy. Over the course of the semester, my goal is to teach you everything that I've learned as a photographer, videographer, editor, as an academic who studies new media as a social phenomenon, and a content creator myself. You're going to learn from my mistakes and my successes. You'll think critically about the impact of social media on everyday life. You'll get hands-on experience making and sharing your own original content and growing and maintaining and engaging with your own audience. So if you're a UD Mercy student, register for the class now. If you're a prospective student, send me an email at my email address. It's haleml@udmercy.edu. That's going to appear somewhere on the screen. I'll also drop it down in the description box too if you need it. And even if you're not a current or prospective student, subscribe to the channel to follow along and to learn with us. I'll be posting video essays, tutorials, and all sorts of free educational content here, as well as on my Instagram, TikTok, my website, which is digital-pedagogy.com, and occasionally on Twitter, but I don't really like Twitter all that much. So thanks for watching. I can't wait to have you in class. Take care.